Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best corded stick vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum. This is the budget-friendly option for those who want a simple, no-frills vacuum without breaking the bank. At just $29.99, this vacuum is a steal for its versatility. It's a 3-in-1 design, functioning as a stick vacuum, a handheld vacuum, and even a stair vacuum. With a compact and lightweight design, it's perfect for quick cleanups on hard floors, countertops, and low-pile carpets. The build quality is basic but effective, weighing only 2.6 pounds. It's incredibly easy to maneuver, making it a great option for small apartments or as a secondary vacuum for quick cleanups. The 15-foot power cord is a bit shorter than other models, so you may need to unplug and replug more often. The 0.67-liter dirt cup is small, so you'll need to empty it frequently, but it's easy to clean. While it lacks advanced features like HEPA filtration or motorized brush heads, the Bissell Featherweight gets the job done for light-duty cleaning. For occasional use or smaller spaces, it's hard to beat the value at this price point. However, if you're looking for something with more powerful suction or premium features, you'll need to look elsewhere. Next up at number 4, we have the TC Junsun 23-foot corded vacuum cleaner. This vacuum is packed with features and offers a bit more power than the Bissell, boasting a 600-watt motor that delivers 20 kPa suction. It's ideal for cleaning up pet hair, crumbs, and debris on both carpets and hard floors. The vacuum also includes a self-standing design, which is very convenient for storage. One standout feature is the LED lights, which help illuminate dust and debris in darker areas, like under beds and furniture. The ergonomic design and retractable hose make it easy to adjust for different cleaning needs, whether you're tackling high shelves or tight corners. The 1.2-liter dustbin is larger than many others on this list, reducing the need for frequent emptying. However, the build quality feels a bit less premium, and while it's lightweight at just 6.5 pounds, it may not feel as sturdy as the Shark or Bissell models. This vacuum is a great option for those who want maximum functionality without a hefty price tag. It includes multiple attachments, such as a crevice tool and motorized floor brush, making it versatile for whole house cleaning. The downside is that the brand isn't as well known as Shark or Bissell, and customer reviews are mixed. But if you're looking for a powerful, affordable vacuum with a lot of features, the TC Junsun is worth considering. Coming in at number 3, we have the Shark Corded Stick Vacuum, CS110EM. This vacuum strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. At just under $100, it offers Shark's signature deep cleaning power in a lightweight and versatile design. Weighing only 8.2 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and features swivel steering for navigating around furniture and tight spaces. The Shark CS110EM is designed to handle both carpets and hard floors with ease, and it can quickly convert into a handheld vacuum for tackling stairs or upholstery. One of its standout features is its non-stop corded power, ensuring consistent suction for whole home cleaning. While it doesn't have advanced features like LED headlights or a HEPA filter, it does come with a foam filter that is washable and reusable. The dustbin capacity is 0.31 quarts, which is on the smaller side, but it's easy to empty. This vacuum is ideal for small to medium-sized homes where portability and storage are important. It's not as advanced as some of the higher-end Shark models, but it delivers excellent value for its price. Some users may find the smaller dustbin limiting, and it's not the best option for heavy-duty pet hair cleanup. However, for everyday cleaning tasks, it's a solid choice. At number 2, we have the Shark HV371 Rocket Pro DLX Corded Stick Vacuum. This vacuum is a step up from the CS110EM model, offering advanced features like an XL dust cup, 0.68 quarts, and powerful LED headlights to illuminate hidden debris. It's designed for deep carpet cleaning and is particularly effective at picking up pet hair, making it a great option for pet owners. One of the standout features is the removable handheld vacuum, which adds versatility for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. The advanced swivel steering and low-profile design make it easy to maneuver around furniture and under low-clearance spaces. It also comes with a range of specialized tools, including a crevice tool, upholstery tool, and anti-allergen dust brush. The vacuum is lightweight at 8.58 pounds, but it feels sturdy and well-built. What sets this vacuum apart is its combination of powerful suction, advanced features, and reasonable price. At $139.99, it offers excellent value for those who want a high-performing vacuum without going for the most premium model. The only downsides are that it's a bit louder at 80 dB and may not be as self-standing as other models. Still, for its versatility and cleaning power, it's a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Shark PowerDetect Ultralight Corded Stick Vacuum, HZ4002. This is the premium option on our list, and it's packed with cutting-edge features that justify its $299.99 price tag. The DuoClean technology with IntelliSense sensors automatically adjusts brush roll speed based on the type of floor you're cleaning, ensuring optimal performance on all surfaces. This vacuum eliminates hair wrap, making it perfect for households with pets. It also features an anti-allergen complete seal and a HEPA filter, which trap 99.99% of dust and allergens, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. The addition of odor neutralizer technology ensures that your vacuum stays fresh even after tackling tough messes. The vacuum is lightweight at 9.3 pounds and has an intuitive self-standing design for easy storage. This vacuum is the ultimate all-rounder, excelling in suction power, design, and usability. It's ideal for those who want the best of the best and are willing to invest in premium features. The only downside is the high price, but if you're looking for top-tier performance and advanced technology, the Shark PowerDetect HZ4002 is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.